Eid al-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, is an important Islamic holiday celebrated by Muslims worldwide. It commemorates the willingness of Prophet Abraham to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to God. Here are some of the recommended Sunnah practices of the Prophet Muhammad for Eid al-Adha. Performing ghusl ritual purification. It is recommended to take a bath or perform ablution wudu before going to the Eid prayer. Offering Eid prayer. Muslims gather in congregation for the special Eid prayer, which consists of 2 units rak'ahs. The prayer is performed in an open area, such as a mosque, field, or community center. Saying the takbir. Muslims are encouraged to recite the takbir declaration of the greatness of Allah on the night before Eid and throughout the days of Eid. The takbir is as follows.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك.
Offering the sacrifice. After the Eid prayer, Muslims who can afford it are encouraged to sacrifice an animal, usually a goat, sheep, cow, or camel. This act symbolizes Prophet Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son and teaches the values of generosity, sharing, and caring for the less fortunate. The meat from the sacrifice is divide. Exchanging greetings. Muslims are encouraged to greet one another with the saying Eid Mubarak or Blessed Eid as a way of spreading joy and unity within the community. Visiting family and friends. It is customary to visit family, friends, and neighbors on the days of Eid to strengthen bonds and promote harmony and goodwill. Giving charity. Eid al-Adha is an opportune time to give to the less fortunate. Muslims are encouraged to give charity and help those in need, especially on this auspicious occasion. These are some of the Sunnah practices associated with Eid al-Adha. Kindly like, subscribe and share our channel for more videos. Thank you.